Sharpening my MS210 Stihl chain. I've got a 3/8 4mm made in Germany Stihl chain sharpener. I'm going to look for the start point. I know on this chain there's two teeth that are facing the same way, so I'll use that as a starting point for my reference. Just find them here. There they go. There they are. Two teeth that's the same way. That's just how the links worked out. I take my Stihl chainsaw sharpener. It's got a clear indication there which orientation the sharpener needs to go. I'm going to start in the back tooth here. I'm going to get the angle right. It's important to get the angle right. I'm going to use push motion from here. I'll start off with the blade and that being perfectly aligned. Now the key is to move it parallel. 2, 3, 4, 5. Do the same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm applying pressure on the forward push, not in the back. The back is just free. Let's go to the next one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost there. Once we've done this orientation, we'll turn the whole chainsaw around, turn the file around, and do it all over again on the opposite side, rake and tooth. 3, 4, 5. Note I'm also applying slightly downward pressure. 3, 4, 5. Because I want to get into this tooth here, and I want to flatten the rake. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be almost there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we've done that side. Now we turn the whole chainsaw around. We're going to be doing the opposite side. So I turn the whole file around. I look at the orientation of the chainsaw, and then we're going to do the same here. this around so we can get a better shot. One, two, three, four, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. And that's it on that side. The key thing was to keep the chain the orientation of the actual file, so that you pull it nicely so that it ends up parallel like that. That's key. So I use a push motion and then pull is free. What I like about this Stihl chainsaw sharpener, it takes you literally 5 minutes in the field if you have a problem where you've cut a tree and there's a lot of soil in it, making your chain blunt. Got the formal for this size chain, then I got the bigger. I think this is probably about 7 mil, 5.2 mil. That's for a bigger chainsaw when we do some serious cutting. And yeah, chainsaw ready to go. Always best to put the cover on when everything's done. It's all oiled up, all fueled up, and ready for action. Yeah, this chainsaw mostly cuts wattle. You will see on the blade, it's very difficult to get rid of it. There's like a gum that builds up, but that doesn't negatively impact how the chain works. It's about the tooth and the rake to get that sharp, that hollow, and make a sharp point on top there, and then also the tooth to flatten that simultaneously so that this doesn't get sharper and this protrudes. Otherwise the gap between the height of the tooth and there needs to be a little bit of a difference. This needs to be slightly lower than that so that bites. But you can also not flatten that too much, because then this bites in and it can start grabbing, especially when you're doing like wattle and stuff. And yeah, the chain can come off. That's why you got to have one of those. Numerous times the chain can come off and hit you in the face. That's why I use a helmet like that, and I'm always got my gloves on. And as an added bonus, from a safety perspective, always good to wear like shin pads, just in case something comes flying off the chain. Or yeah, okay, that's it.